Alright, howdy food reviews here of Healthy Choice Cafe Steamers Pineapple Chicken. So, this was in the freezer for a long time, and even though we have a freezer downstairs here, and it was in the freezer for a long time, and even though this was in there. So this is what it looks like. Pineapple chicken. It's got like some peppers, lima beans. Those are chestnuts or walnuts or something. I forgot what those are called. Rice, chicken, and then like a pineapple sauce. Let's try it. Never had this before, actually. I had other like Healthy Choice dinners before, but never had this. So we got some lima beans right here. Pineapple. Lima beans and some peppers. These are either the chestnuts or walnuts. I forgot what they're called. And this is the chicken. Rice. So they basically give you a little, this is it's like a screening thing that they put on top. Like a screener or something. I forgot what it's called. We have those here, but they give you like a little mini screener so you can put like the sauce, and I just dumped the sauce in, so. And it's convenient. They actually give you a pretty good bowl to eat from. You put it on the microwave for like 6 minutes or something. Haven't done a review all this week or all this weekend, so this is my first review this weekend. Until this coming week, so I kind of was uploading more videos on my other channels, so I really didn't have time. Well, I did, but I just didn't really have anything to review. But this is something worth reviewing instead of pizza. I was going to eat pizza today, but then I said, you know what? I'm going to eat this instead because it's healthier. Pretty good. The box was a little bit beat up because it's been in the freezer for a long time. I didn't think that this was going to actually be good because the box was all destroyed, basically. But it's pretty good. It's been in the freezer for months. So, but it's still pretty good because it's a frozen meal, so it's not like it's going to go bad or anything. I would give this a 5 out of 5. It's pretty good. See if they got any other flavors of chicken that they got for their meals. I'll start eating more of these if I'm going to eat frozen meals. Anyway, and this is pretty expensive though. It's kind of like, I think this is like $6 or something for one of these, so it's kind of expensive. But you get quite a bit of food, to be honest. So, 5 out of 5, so peace.